So if you are posted as DM of a district where you see that sex ratio is very bad,
Right.
What steps can you take? Suggest something innovative, 1 or 2 steps.
Ma'am, I believe that this whole dismal situation, it begins in the whole household of a woman itself. So first we need to spread social awareness, and my solution would also be along those lines. We should celebrate the birth of daughters, because if the birth is celebrated, it was actually witnessed in a few villages where the elected women representatives, they started distributing sweets, planting trees, etc. when women were born. And one of the villages by the name of Chapar in Haryana, there we actually saw a much big rise in the sex ratio at birth due to celebration of birth of the girl child. So I believe, ma'am, something along those lines would be a very good medium. Secondly, ma'am, since I come from a sports background, I believe sports not just creates physical fitness, but mental toughness as well. And as we promote more sports for women, that would in turn flow back some kind of awareness and sensitization that women also are very significant parts of the society in general.
Okay. Tell me, as a student of anthropology, what does Homo sapiens sapiens mean?
Right, ma'am. So we are divided so as to what to call our present generation as we exist. Two schools of thoughts are there. First is Homo sapiens, second is Homo sapiens sapiens. So Homo sapiens as such is a larger genus in which we have some other similar fossil-based humans that were found. And Homo sapiens sapiens is just a more evolved version of that. So it just means a wise ape in general. So if you say that Homo sapien is a genus and Homo sapien is a species, that's a form of classification. But
Homos in itself is a genus.
Yes, but they try to sub-classify it into a more specific species known as...
But every genus is made genus because it has few species in it. But we are the only species in this genus.
Right. That is because we are the only surviving species. There were some kind of fossil humans that existed, such as Homo neanderthals, etc. So some
what could be the reason for this?
Sorry?
What can be the reason for this?
There is there's a debate in the scientific community regarding classification of the current fossils, and as more knowledge is keep coming, they keep reclassifying it and readjusting the research finds. So one school of thought said that Homo sapiens sapiens, that the current civilization is